if you're watching this, this is the very first video that I'm going to be posting on the channel. I really don't have a bunch of talking points, but I do want to get a really good introduction down and a good baseline of what you guys can expect on this channel going forward. So to start off, my name's Darren. I'm currently 23 years old, and I love cars. Cars is like everything I do revolves around cars, like everything. So most of what you're going to see on this channel is going to have something to do with cars. Very rarely will you see kind of like lifestyle vlogs where I'm just kind of doing my own thing or whatever, but you'll see a little bit of that here and there. But most of it's going to be cars. Working on cars, wrapping cars, going to car meets and stuff like that. So I currently have 3 different vehicles. The one I'm in right now is my 2010 Mustang GT. It's got a 5-speed manual. I also have a 2021 Ninja 400, and I also have a 2004 Infiniti G35 Coupe with a 6-speed manual transmission. The one you're going to see the most is probably going to be this one, because this is my pride and joy. It's the one I drive the most, even though I really shouldn't, and it's what I consider my show car. Expect to see a lot of content around this car coming soon. As of right now, I'm still working on the channel, trying to get some different details ironed out, like the most important thing, which is the name for the channel. So I've been struggling to find something different. Right now it's just set as my social plug, which is S197D, but it's not really a good name, because if I keep up with this and I end up not having an S197 anymore, then it kind of defeats the whole meaning of the name, so I'm still trying to come up with something cool and interesting. But if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments or hit me up on any of my socials, and just let me know what you guys think would be cool. But like I said, I'm really looking forward to making some content. I've been waiting to make a YouTube channel for a couple years now, and I really beat myself up about not making one sooner, because when I bought this car, I had so much good content lined up. Like, I wish I recorded the process where I wrapped my car the first time, the time I put coilovers on, when I put bags on the car, when I got the new wheels, stuff like that. I wish I recorded, because I probably would be pretty high up in YouTube status right now if I actually record those things. But nonetheless, it's no big deal. We're still gonna keep moving. I'm still gonna try and produce really good content for the channel. So like I said, if you're watching this and you don't know me personally, please just let me know what you want to see on a channel like this. Like I said, it's gonna be mostly automotive vlogs, me installing things, me going to car meets and stuff like that. And here and there you might get a lifestyle type vlog where I just kind of do my own thing. I'm headed to work right now, so I'm going to pick back up when I get off. So I'll see you guys when I get back. So I'm back, as I stated earlier. I just got off from work, so I'm headed home now. I've pretty much covered everything I wanted to cover today in this video. Like I said, I didn't want to talk too much. I just wanted to kind of give a very, very brief introduction to myself and what I plan to do on this channel. Like I said, not much more to say. If you're tuning in this far, I do appreciate you. The rest of this is probably going to be a couple minutes of POV driving. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for a lot more content coming soon. Appreciate you.